My name is SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at a watch that I think would make a fabulous gift this holiday season. This is a Cartier Roadster, and this is the small or ladies size. This watch is such an interesting design in the watch world. It's not one that you see all of the time, and it is such a really cool design as well. It's a tonneau design, and it has a lot of different details that come from classic cars, including the exposed screws and the hubcap-like design in the crown itself. It's not a typical shape you'll see all the time, like other watches, round or oval, but I really like it nonetheless. It's really unique, and it's perfect if someone wants a watch but doesn't want something that everyone else is wearing. This one also has a beautiful diamond bezel around the outside and diamonds on the crown as well that's kind of clustered all together. It allows for a lot of sparkle with this watch and shine, which just looks beautiful. They're of course authentic Cartier diamonds and they just look gorgeous as they shine. This one is on a black leather strap, which I think makes it a little bit more casual, especially for a watch with so many diamonds. That's a really big plus in my opinion, because that means that you can wear this watch a lot more often than you might think you would. This one also has a really subdued and pleasant silver dial, which in my opinion definitely makes it more of a kind of casual wear watch, because it's a little bit more, like I said, subdued and a little bit more just casual. But I don't think that's a bad thing, because in my opinion, if you are giving someone a gift, whether it's for Christmas or their birthday or any other event, I always want to give someone something that they will use every single day, and what better something to use every single day than a watch that they'll look at all the time, and every time that they look at it they will think of you and smile. So if you're looking for an amazing gift this holiday season, definitely consider a Cartier watch, because that's something that you will want to wear every single day because they're just so amazing, especially and including the Cartier Roadster line. You can check out all of our Cartier's collection at SwissWatchExpo.com.